What's up everybody, this is my review on the new CheerDriving wireless CarPlay device. I am an owner of the Mazda CX5 2019 model, and this car does come with wired CarPlay, but this device allows me to connect wirelessly, which is pretty cool. And there's many other devices out there on Amazon right now that allow you to connect to your car wirelessly with CarPlay, but what I like about this device with CheerDriving is that now there's an option to stream Netflix and YouTube directly on the OEM screen. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the streaming. So you got to make sure that you connect to Wi-Fi first, and as you can see right now, it's connected to my phone. I have a hotspot going on for my iPhone. Just make sure that you set your hotspot or your Wi-Fi network password to 1234567 as it shows up here. Otherwise, for some reason, this device won't connect. So it already recognized my phone, so that's already on, indicated by this. You can't really see it right here, but the Wi-Fi icon's right here. It's a little faded right now, but anyways, you know it's on, it's connected. So you just hit Netflix. And I've already logged in previously, so it has all my Wi-Fi, all my Netflix information is already preloaded in there. But at first use, you would have to log in like any other device, as if you're using it on your phone or your laptop or your TV. So as you can see, it has all of the new shows, basically what you would usually see on the Netflix home screen. Right now, the new Cobra Kai is out, season 5, so I'm gonna tap that. So here we go, the first episode of season 5 of Cobra Kai. And what I like about this is there's no lag or delay in the audio. So the voice, basically the voice syncs up right with the video. There's no delay or anything like that like these other devices. I think the other device did. I think there's another device on Amazon that allows you to mirror your phone to your screen, but yeah, that one didn't work very well. Check this out. See, the voice, the audio, the movement works perfectly. So that's my favorite thing with this device. And then cool thing is it is down here minimized. You can just close that. But let's go into CarPlay. Basically, it is connecting to my phone with CarPlay. And there you go. You're using CarPlay just like you would in any other setting, wired, whatnot.